Shalom. Greetings, hola. You know what I'm saying? Aloha, this is your brother Wasilkamilbey, and we are Shamstoppers. Title of this video is called She Wants to Take Care of Your Finances and Not the Kids. Okay? We're going to get on Virginia. We're going to talk about it. Look, this is Virginia's application for child support. Y'all gonna laugh at this application. Now check this out. It's the Commonwealth of Virginia, Department of Social Services, Division to Divide You People, Child Support Enforcement. Check this out. Applying for child support enforcement services, information you need to know. Look at that. We work with both parents so that families are stronger and children do well. To receive child support service, complete and return attached application. Signatures. Complete and sign. Item 8. Your responsibility to repay any support paid to you in error. Agreement and authorization for receipt of child support services. What? A receipt? Somebody told me about they didn't have a receipt long time ago. Well, they said agreement and authorization for receipt of child support services. Fellas, they do have a receipt. When we got a case dismissed out of jurisdiction, he had the pink slip. That was the receipt. Okay? So, direct deposit authorization form if you have a bank account. So fellas, when you have a bank account, they take your money and place all the money they took away from you and give her little bitch ass some piece of change, and they take the rest. If you do not have a bank account, see the authorization electronic payments section below. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. It's gonna be 20 minutes. You can apply online. Alright? She can choose to do electronic payments. Because you remember that baby mama Richmond shit. Remember that? Thank you. Look at that fees. An annual $25 fee for each case in which you have never received temporary assistance for needy families. TANF. And once we have collected at least $500 in child support payments during the federal fiscal year, October the 1st through September the 30th. And you know what, fellas? That's your income tax they collecting. This is your shit. They collecting that shit. They telling you right here. A $25 fee if you reopen a case within 6 months from the date that you requested case closure. So people, if they get a case that's closed, they can request to open it. She can go down there and keep going and going and going till you sue this old dirty ass bitch who don't want to take care of your children but want to take care of your finances. They won't play with you no more. They won't. Look at that. We're gonna go back to signatures. Check this shit out. Let's go back to signatures. Right? You see that? This is one of Pennsylvania's offenses for forgery. A person is guilty of forgery if with the intent to defraud or injure anyone or with knowledge that he, where's she at? Because it is a she. Just put a S right there. You're talking about the bitch too. Is facilitating a fraud or injury to be perpetrated by anyone, the actor, the baby mama, alters any writing of another without his authority. You have authority over the bitch. Brothers, okay? Look, makes, completes, executes, authenticates, issues, or transfers any writing so that it purports to be the act of another who did not authorize that act. Did you authorize her to do that? No, you did not. Or to have been executed the time or place and a numbered sequence other than was in the fact of the case, or to be a copy of an original when no such original existed. Others, any writing which he knows to be forged in a manner specified in paragraphs 1, 2 of the. If you ain't authorized that bitch to do no business on your behalf, that's a wrap. It's a wrap for that bitch. You know what I'm saying? Fuck, she gonna authorize something. She got, oh, and brothers. For the brothers with the interest, good job. Y'all tried, good job. But you know what interest means? Between is the agency and your baby mama. So it's between them who gonna snatch your money, and it's up to you to say fuck you. You ain't gonna get nothing. So here is what I was telling you about. Enter. Between. You gotta learn your prefixes. Internal. See that? Your privacy, fellas. What about your privacy? Huh? Look at that. Federal law requires all people subject. Are you a subject to the child support order? Huh? To provide their social security numbers. We take your privacy very seriously. Okay, if you take somebody's privacy very seriously, why the fuck are you asking for their social security number? Huh? Right? Social security numbers are kept in case records and are only used to locate parents to establish paternity and establish, modify, and enforce child support obligations. Attachments. For each child name in this application, attach copies of the following documents, if applicable. Court orders related to child and spousal and medical support. Administrative support orders related to child and medical support. Birth certificates. Documents determining paternity. Guardianship order appointed you as legal guardian. Protective order. See that? Legal services. Why don't say lawful services? Fellas, you are the law. The bitch is the legal, and legal has no power over the law. Look at that shit. See that shit? Look at that. We cannot guarantee the results of our efforts. We will take all appropriate actions on your case. See that, fellas? To establish and collect support, we have no authority to arrest or jail either parent. They don't have authority. They telling you right here. So you know who they go get, right? This is $1 trillion company. They got a little miniature army. Well, just the police. They come get your ass. Right? They don't have the authority. But they go pay for some. We cannot collect support from a parent that has no income. If only y'all knew. However, we have programs. And you know what programming is, right? Your brain is a computer. So they'll be programming you thinking that you got to get this bitch some money because you don't even want to take care of the children, but want to take care of your finances. That can help the parent order to pay support in obtaining job skills and employment. So she need to be, if she going to borrow this money, they automatically need to put that bitch on a motherfucking job because you got women lawyers, you got all types of women been liberated. We cannot give legal advice, nor can we provide you with an attorney. We will process case actions according to federal state laws. Upon application for child support enforcement services, DCSE will provide the following services as appropriate: locate biological and putative parents, establish paternity, establish modified orders, enforce, collect, right? Now, who the fuck gonna tell you what your rights are? You have the right to have your personal information kept confidential to the extent allowed by law, hire an attorney to represent you, appeal certain actions taken by DCSE. So look at that, hire an attorney to represent you. So they tell you right there, they don't even represent your ass. That's how stupid the bitch is. But she go down there, she do this shit spitefully. If it's a channel on here ain't talking about these hoes, them niggas is, they getting dick in their ass. I'm just gonna be honest with you. Real talk, them niggas getting fucked in the ass. They ain't talking about these hoes. Receive prompt payment of your collective support. Receive copies of order pertaining to your case. Fellas, it ain't your case, they talking to this hoe. Receive timely notices of scheduled hearing, copies of decisions made in court administrative hearings. How many of y'all get administrative hearings? I know, that's what I thought. Provide us with information needed to establish and enforce your case. Complete requested documents. Cooperate with DCSE, right? Keep us informed and change your circumstances. Repay any excess amounts received in error. If she forged your shit, that's a big ass error. See that shit? Look at that shit. That's how dirty the game is. The Division of Child Support Enforcement of DCSC does not routinely release an address to other parent on a child support case. However, the law requires, what law? What law? That certain information appear on documents unless there is a threat of harm. See, when they do shit like that, when you put somebody social security number, you asking for threat and you asking for harm. Okay? Because I'm going to tell y'all something. If y'all get some of these people that be acting as judges and lawyers and shit, you get they card number, whatever type of number, they going to try to take you to jail and throw the book at you. Right? That's what y'all need to do on the cool. Find they shit out. See how they like it. Please indicate any special assistance we may need to provide you or the other parent. Parent to receive support. See that shit? I'm gonna hit y'all with some at the end of this video. Parent to pay support. Look at all this shit right here. Oh man. See that shit? Huh? Look at that shit. This right here. You see that? Social security number. Does this parent have a business or professional license? Look at all that shit, man. Look, then you're gonna put the children up for rent. Look at that, Social Security number, putting them up for rent. Boy, a bitch ain't shit. Look at that. You are personally liable to repay any child support you receive that is paid in error. Money sent to you in error must be returned to the DCSE. Yes, no, I authorize DCSE to withhold from future child support payment money paid to me in error after Notice of error has been provided to me. In New York, man, they say you can get your money back. Them niggas ain't jumping on that shit. They said it. I said it. Shamstoppers said it. Kish said it. You know what I'm saying? You see that? I request child support services from the Commonwealth of Virginia. I agree to cooperate with the Division of Child Support Enforcement. I authorize DCS to use all legal means necessary to provide service. Why I don't say lawful means? I understand all support payments are to be paid through that. See, that's why I say you never say you understand shit. You always supposed to overstand. Well, we gods, you know what I'm saying? So ain't nobody doing what we doing. I'm sorry. We run this shit. And that's how it's gonna be. Till we had to let the little ones have it and fight over it. You know what I'm saying? I understand that DCS cannot guarantee results. I have read and understand the role of DCSC. I understand the fees may be charged and payments will be dispersed based on the federal and state laws. Look, fees may be charged and payments. So the bitch don't even get that whole thing of that money. That's how stupid they are. But they doing it. This is a despiteful service. It used to be for people who need it. Now it's for people who's greedy. Okay? The needy has become the greedy. Alright? I have read and understand my rights and responsibilities. See that shit? By signing the application, you authorize DCS to explore, pursue, utilize sources available and support investigation information needed include but not limited to limited to the paying parent social security number, addresses, and employers' information. Seek enforcement, collect support or arrears from either party that has legal duty to pay support. You see that shit? Look at that. Credit Bureau notifications. Suspension of professional license, driver's license, recreational license. Endorse cash checks, money orders, or any form of payment which are payable to the parent that receive. Boy, you see that shit? You see that? She agreed to all this shit. Look at that, direct deposit. That's the shit I'm talking about. That's the shit I'm talking about, man. These hoes ain't no good. This is Virginia where the most stank ass hoes at. You see that? See all that shit? Yeah. Let me give you a gem. You want me to give y'all a gem? Take this with you. A crop growing in the ground is personal property so far as not to be considered an interest in land under the statute of frauds. A crop growing in the ground is personal property. You see that? Huh? Mm. So fellas, the bitch ain't no good. This is in Virginia. There's a lot of guys in Virginia who ain't got no money, bro. Some guys sign with their baby mama. You know what I'm saying? They ain't got no choice. They stagnant. They don't know how to generate other means of income, revenue. You know what I'm saying? They don't know. They don't know. Hit us up, people. Peace.